Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. You're watching and Tech, and today I'm here with one of the most controversial ROM in the history, like Project Elixir. And to check out how it's still going on, I have installed it on my Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Like as you can see, this is my phone, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, which is currently running on Project Elixir. And with Android 15 version, like October 1 2020 patch, and as Linux status, like they have included it like to gain the trust issue from their users. Like all of us know that they have faced some of the controversial issues and topics, as some of the users data maybe they delete without the consent of the user. And after all, I am here checking out how it's going on. Like it is as same as Android 14. You can get the Elixir all of goodies here, but notification, like you can say you are not a pro user, subscribe to become a pro user, so you have to pay the money to get all of those premium functions that our normal users cannot get. So what is the like point of view to use a custom ROM that will need money from you? Like most of the people who use custom ROM because they cannot afford the money to buy an expensive phone or something like that, so they often uses custom ROM to get all of the goodies. And as a result, like I said, it is still not updated to Android 16. You have to pay the money to get the Android 16 built on your phone, and overall it is quite good for those, but I would not recommend you to use, as some of the users still said that it is not as safe as any other custom ROM